Hey Crystals! Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we are going to do a flip through of my 2022 bullet journal. Oh, it's upside down. Sadly, I was not able to show you guys the detailed walkthrough on how I drew most of, if not half, of this year's bujo. And if you have been a part of the Cristals family, you know that there were a lot of major changes that happened to me this year. One of them is we moved to this new house and our internet was down for 10 days. And if you've ever experienced moving to a different house, you do know that it takes a lot of time and effort to get settled in. So that took a lot of time away from my content creation. And also on September 6th, 2022, you guys know that my father passed away. That was also the main reason why I was not able to produce as much content as I would have loved. My family and I are really grateful for all your prayers and being there for us during those difficult times. I actually wanted to share with you guys something close to my heart, and that is this picture. This picture was the last photo that we took as a family, complete family with my father, and it means so much to me, and I just wanted to share it to you guys because you are also family, so here it is. Anyway, as we come to a close and officially say goodbye to 2022, I would just like to say thank you to all of you for being patient with me, for being so kind and loving and supportive. Thank you for giving me hope to keep going and for lighting up my world. You guys are one of the reasons that I get up and feel motivated and encouraged. So thank you for the kind words that you always leave in my comments because they mean so much to me. I hope that we'd continue to grow. I appreciate you all so much. So to finish off this year, I'll be showing you a tour from the month of May to the month of December. I will not be showing January to April because I already showed you guys before in my previous bujo videos. So that is the reason why I'm only showing May till December. Lastly, I'll also be telling you about today's sponsor, Skillshare. I'll explain more about Skillshare later, but for now, let's get started with the flip through. Okay, before we continue with the next part of the video, let's talk about Skillshare. So if you're just like me and you're just getting started with your own bullet journaling, I highly recommend trying and learning from Skillshare's online classes. Skillshare is actually the world's largest online learning community for creatives like us. Members get unlimited access to thousands of inspiring classes taught by industry leaders and working professionals on topics like illustration, design, photography, and of course, bullet journaling and scrapbooking. What makes Skillshare unique is that they focus on creative learning content. So if this is something that you're interested in, I, your girl, will gift you 1 month free classes. Just click the link that I provided in the description box below and start enjoying your free classes. Okay, now back to the video. And that is it for today's video. That is it for the very last video that I'll be uploading for 2022. Tell me in the comment section below which month was your personal favorite. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. And guess what? Our channel now has a give thanks button. So for those of you who are interested in donating money to help this channel, click the give thanks button below. Any amount of money that you decide to donate on this channel would of course go towards content creation. So if you like any of the stuff that I make, an advance thank you so much to those who will give money. And I'm just so happy to finish this year with you guys. Have a happy. So yes, God bless, happy holidays, happy new year, and I'll see you in 2023.